Okay, folks, so for this recipe, we are going to be using 3/4 of one onion. We also have some mushrooms already sliced over here for this recipe. And how much do you think that we got for mushrooms coming in there?
8 ounce, 1 8 ounce package.
1 8 ounce packet. So here we are baking and cooking with Jesse and Jeff today. Awesome. On a large pan, how many pounds of meat do you have in everything?
3 pounds of ground sirloin.
Oh, okay.
93% lean.
And so what are we making today, just to confirm again?
We're just making a batch of sloppy joes.
Awesome. So where do you think that these sloppy joes originated from?
Well, it's definitely a Midwest staple. It's been around a lot of years.
Awesome. All right, so we are cooking with Jeff and Jesse, and we'll be coming back in a few minutes.
A little over 3 pounds.
Okay, folks, so here we are back again, and for this recipe, Sloppy Joe's, we are going to be using 3 cans of manwich bowl. And my husband was letting me know that it is 1 can per pound. Is that right, Han?
Yes.
Awesome.
No, we usually make this with our own tomato sauce base, but I'm trying to do it faster tonight, so we're using the manwich.
Awesome. So if you are in a hurry and you need to go like, I need to make this now, pronto, then this is the way to go, guys. Just FYI. Okay, folks, so here we are back again. As you can see, we already put some spices here, and we are about to put the onions on, so that is really good. And I will be letting you know the spices that we use too, since the meat is almost ready here. So on this side, we got the spices that we use. We used 1 spoon of crushed pepper. Is that right?
Sure.
Well, if you don't like pepper, you can use a little less than that, obviously. We use also pepper. How much black pepper do you use, hon?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, all right. And what about chili powder?
Oh, about 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. And also we use some cayenne pepper. And that would be like probably
About at least a tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. And also cumin.
Cumin, about a teaspoon.
A teaspoon as well. Okay, so there you go, guys. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of cayenne. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon as well. I'm sorry, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And crushed pepper, it is up to you how much you want to put on, just to give a heads up. Also, we got 3 cans of manwich bowl, and from what I understand, there's 3 different ones, huh? Or is it just this one?
At least 2.
At least 2 of them? Okay. Any preference or? As you can see, the meat is almost ready here. It's slow cooking. We're about to put the mushrooms. And we were talking about the manwich bowl. So my understanding is 2 different type of them. So is it one spicier than the other one, or how does that work, man?
A little spicier and a little thicker.
Oh, it's spicier and thicker. Okay. So that will be up to you folks. What is it you want to do, okay? So here are the ingredients once again. And there's 3 cans of manwich bowl. Okay, folks. So here we are back again. We had already poured the 3 cans of
manwich.
And you just stir. Just remember one thing that I noticed, that temperature has to be very low, right?
Yes. Just simmer.
So you let it simmer? Mm-hmm. Okay. Sloppy Joe's. Can't wait. It smells so good. It so here we are, people. We'll be right back.